Hi, I'm Thomas Dawson with Dumpster Intervention Patrol. I wanted to come out and pass a message today. First off, I want to thank everybody out there on the front lines, the medical providers, all of those staff members in these hospitals and offices that are help protecting us, giving basically their life on the line to help us reduce this COVID-19. I want to also thank the firefighters and police officers, and also our men and women of the armed forces out here, from National Guard to the Navy, out here just protecting us, making sure that we're being safe and that we're being cautious. I hope everybody's staying home and being healthy, and your circle as well. My message here today is to pass on to those out there fighting this unseen virus. I want to offer those folks a one-time free cleaning for their bins and dumpsters. If they'd be interested in some sort of membership, like a monthly or bi-monthly or even a semi-annual or quarterly, this is a means of helping to be a part of this connection as a whole, as a world united, to come out and fight these viruses. Our business with high temperature, up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, with high pressure, we clean, sanitize, and deodorize, and this is allowing us to eliminate the potential of touching our cans. The hospitals, everybody out there has to take trashes out. Well, if this virus is being touched all over the hospitals in these bags and taken to the dumpsters, we need to clean these things. So my message is out here to you folks today: be safe, be cautious, and let's give back to these folks putting their lives on our line. And I want to offer again a free first-time cleaning, and looking at memberships available as well. So my name is Thomas Dawson with Dumpster Intervention Patrol. Be safe out there. God bless.